So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Twitter not working on Chrome. Sign in, loading and extension fixes. Fix 1 is test in incognito mode. Open a new incognito mode window using Ctrl plus Shift plus N or Command plus Shift plus N. Then go to x.com in the incognito window. If the site fails to load, an extension may be causing the issue. Disable extension one by one at chrome:/extension to find the problematic one. Second fix is check and clear specific site data. Open x.com in Chrome, then click the tune slider icon or the padlock icon on the far left of the URL address bar. Click site setting, click the clear data button at the top, restart Chrome. Third fix is check for Chrome update. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then hover over help in the drop down menu. Click one about Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for and install any available update. Click relaunch if an update is completed. Fourth fix is reset Chrome to default setting. Click the three dots to open the menu, then select setting from the menu. Click reset setting in the left sidebar, then choose restore setting to their original default. Confirm the action by clicking reset setting. Thanks for watching.